Oh my god, but she looks cute putting on mascara! Oh! Because I'll make a man out of you!
I'm Kendall.
I'm Adelaine.
I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup for you guys.
I'm just gonna do Kendall's everyday makeup for you guys. You guys have seen me following Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial, following Ariana Grande's makeup tutorial, so I thought today that we could do Kendall Jenner, the model queen, the natural beauty queen. This is like me trying to pretend that I have a fancy blue robe, but it's just like a scarf that's the same color as hers. But hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet, girl. My name is Adelaine Morin. Today we're going to be recreating Kendall Jenner's makeup tutorial and seeing if her beauty secrets are actually little hacks or if they don't even work at all. I have her video pulled up on my phone. I'm gonna put it on the little screen right here, and it's 2 minutes long, so let's see if we can do this.
I'm Kendall. I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup for you guys. You have to believe that I'm doing all of this myself.
I believe her.
Wear nude, Estee Lauder.
She says that she wants to experience things, but she's not actually experiencing them. But by doing her own makeup, she's actually experiencing things when she wants to experience them. You know what I mean? Okay, she's starting off with Estee Lauder foundation and a little foundation brush. So I don't have the Estee Lauder foundation, but I have my favorites, the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. We're just skipping primer, skipping moisturizer, skipping everything, and going straight onto foundation. I feel like this camera's focusing like
Double wear nude, Estee Lauder.
Okay, it doesn't show how she applies her foundation, but I'm assuming that she puts it on the brush. So, putting the foundation on the brush, she starts underneath the eyes.
I don't really like to put too much on.
Okay, we don't put too much on because she has flawless skin already. Oh! Oh! Blue, don't throw up! She looks like she's blending in an upward motion. I mean, that's what you're supposed to do to keep yourself looking young. So we're gonna do that.
I hate when I have like cakey makeup on.
She looked like she just boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 beep, boop, beep, boop, bop. Oh my god, I do not feel covered at all. I feel like I need more. Did she even put any on her neck?
I don't really like to put too much on because I hate when I have like
Okay, she went in and did it again. Wait, I think I saw her do it on her neck like a little bit. Okay, this frame right here looks like she put it on her neck, so we're gonna put it on her neck. Squirt. Or maybe she puts it on the back of her hand and I didn't see it. I have this one pimple on my nose, and it's just really experiencing things right now. It's experiencing being out and about. It's experiencing being in the middle of my face. It's experiencing being licked by Blue. I know Kendall doesn't have any babies, but this is my baby. She has dogs. Yeah, she has dogs. This is Blue. Make sure to follow her, my friend named Blue, on Instagram, and me, Adelaine Morin, on Instagram. All right, concealer. She doesn't say which one she uses, so you know what? I'm just gonna go with my good old e.l.f. concealer. I'm obsessed with this concealer. I feel like it's like a dupe of the Tarte tube, the Tarte Shape Tape. Where'd she put it? Okay, she does. She does a little boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. You'll see the man in me. Wait, what's the Mulan song? You better make a man out of you. Na, 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 na. Because I'll make a man out of you. I was like, can we talk about Mulan and how they're not having songs in their movie? I'm a little bit upset about it. It's okay. She puts like 3 dots. 1 dot on her nose and 3 dots above her forehead. Beautiful. Oh my god, this is like, I make this face when I'm like, you know, the raw XD means I love you and I think that you're cute. That's the face. Oh my god, I pressed 1 second, she blends it all with her fingers, so I haven't blended with my fingers since the last challenge where I let the person in front of me do my makeup and she didn't get any brushes. I can't really see what she's doing, so I'm gonna assume that she just like blended upwards. And fingers crossed, she washed her hands. I see that she's using her middle finger because she got 2. Oh, letters for you. One of them's F and the other one's U. And also, apparently your ring finger and your middle finger are 2 of the most delicate fingers on your hand, so it's good to blend with. I'm so happy. I always get red around my nose and my upper lip, so this is very nice. Great success, Kendall. We don't share much in common, but we share this in common.
I've done my makeup in cars, in porta potties.
She's like just touching her face. She's not even blending. She goes, ooh. She's like, prime the eyes. I don't know if we're gonna do eyeshadow.
We're getting there.
We are getting there. We've only put 2 products on so far. Okay, brows. She doesn't say what brow she uses, so I'm just gonna use the one that I use. Where is it? This can work. And also, please ignore my nails. My nails are like all or nothing. Like it's either we're full glam, we have 2-inch long nails, like super glam, glitter, rhinestones, Swarovski crystals, or they're all bitten off and like this. I have a nail biting problem. It looks like she didn't even put, did she put product on her or did she just brush through her brows?
Cars, in porta potties.
You know, I have done my makeup in cars, but not porta potties. How do you even do it in a porta potty? Porta potties don't even have a mirror.
We're getting there, guys. We're getting there.
It literally just looks like she's brushing through them.
Usually pluck them. Sometimes I wax, but only under. When I was like 14.
Okay, now we add product. Okay. She starts out by brushing them. We go. I was scared. I was like, she already has perfect eyebrows. What if she doesn't even put product in them? I'm like,
Thin eyebrows are the cool thing. So I literally clipped them all off like a line of an eyebrow. My sisters yelled at me. They throw all the tweezers in the house. I've never touched them myself ever since.
Girl, me too. Insert photos here. My eyebrows were literally a line. Also, Kendall and I don't have very similar lives. Similar in this way. All right, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. It didn't look like she didn't do anything crazy. She just kind of filled in the middle, so I'm gonna do that. There's always one eyebrow that's a little bit off. I hate it. Hey, we'll work with it. Oh no, my concealer's coming off! We didn't set it! I think these are the worst brows I've ever done in my entire life. I think it's also because I don't have, like I have no product on my face, so like the eyebrow pencil doesn't really have anything to like stick onto, like no foundation to stick onto, or any powder to stick onto. But she does her brows like so natural, I feel like she barely like puts any on. Oh my god, my eyebrow pencil just broke and it fell onto my eyelash. She has no friction. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I feel like this is the best that it's gonna get. Also, while brushing up the eyebrow stuff, I feel like some concealer kind of came off. This is not working out for me.
My favorite part.
Bronzer! I love bronzer.
I kind of pinch it.
I can't see which one to
throw
use.
all the-
Bronze Goddess? I don't know what this is. Well, I don't have the bronzer, so we're gonna be using this one. This is the Marc Jacobs bronzer.
I kind of pinch it to make it even thinner.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, get the product. Whoop, whoop. Pinch it. And she did her cheekbones. Oh, that's a Kendall Jenner cheekbone. A little skinny.
From being on set. What top?
She's not pinching it anymore. Bringing it down the neck. Kendall Jenner now has double chins, so we gotta get that model look.
What taught me most about how to do my own makeup is just my own face.
She goes like
Finding
behind
out
the
what's
ear.
on me and what doesn't. I usually just take my.
Oh my god, is that all that she does? Well, she has contour on her forehead. They didn't show that. We're gonna do that. I feel like she squeezed the brush. I feel like I'm overdoing it with the bronzer to overcompensate for the lack of makeup right now. I'm a little sad because no nose contour.
Bronzer and do a tiny bit of eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow bronzer. We love that, so I'm getting a fluffy brush. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Baby, stay together. Yo, how does this even happen? It like raised or something. It's like hollow in the middle.
It's just my own face and finding out what looks good on me and.
Okay, you know what I did realize? Whenever I am on set, I do realize that I learned so much from makeup artists. Even like sometimes if you ask them a question, you'll be like, why did you do that? They'll answer it, but some people are like a little bit secretive with their tips. But I feel like when a Kardashian asks you about a makeup tip, you give her the makeup tip. We better be getting some expert advice from Kendall right now. Like, I feel like I have learned a lot through makeup school and stuff like that, but honestly, I feel like I've learned just as much being on set, looking at other makeup artists, kind of like, not really like shadowing makeup artists, but like seeing what makeup artists do, seeing what makeup artists do on my face. Okay, so I think she only does her upper crease and then kind of wings it out a bit.
Do a ton, and I'll do it like mainly at the root. I swear no one ever looks cute putting on mascara.
But she looks cute putting on mascara! So I have eyelash extensions on, so I'm not gonna put on my top, but she does put a little bit of mascara on her bottom, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. When she says ugly, I thought that she would mean this. All of my foundation that was once on my face no longer on it. I am getting Kendall vibes though. This is very like a very natural makeup look.
Like mainly at the root. I swear no one ever looks cute putting on mascara.
Was that a peach or a burger? We don't have a peach or a burger, but we have.
You really want my beauty secrets? I use grilled cheese oil on my face.
Oh, grilled cheese. I remember the first time that I watched this, I didn't realize that she was being sarcastic, and I was like, wait, what the heck? And I was like, I am idiot. Sometimes brain takes a little bit to render, you know what I mean? I hope that she washed her hands after that.
Ow.
We got a little dance.
Fully put lipstick on. I like take it and I like dab it. And then I dab it. Just to like enhance my own color.
Got it. Lipstick. Rest in peace, bronzer. So I literally only have liquid lipstick. This is the only lipstick that I could find. Finding Ferdinand Au Naturel lipstick. The title of this makeup tutorial. So she says she dabs and then dabs with her fingers. Oh, my lips are so crusty. Kendall, you don't put on lip balm or nothing?
Just to like enhance my own color. I like having gloss
Oh, gloss.
Use that, and if I don't have gloss, I use like chapstick or something.
That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to hear. Okay, so I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Madeleine. Adelaine and Madeleine. And it's just like a nude. I did hear that doing this is apparently not good for your lipstick though, because it puts oxygen into your product and it's not good. But I don't know, I just heard that. She just like globs it on.
And then I'm done.
We're done?
Honestly, this is as good as it's gonna get for my hair. I'm not a great hairstylist. I'm learning though, I really am. I've actually, no, never mind, you guys are. And that's me every day. Cool.
This is me every day. Cool. Oh my god. So I guess this is the finished Kendall Jenner makeup tutorial. What do I think? What are my final thoughts on the Kendall Jenner makeup tutorial? For my skin at least, I wish that she put some sort of primer on or even set it with a setting powder. That would be amazing, because near my eyebrows where I like brush up with the spoolie and like my pimple, my nose, when I got like that mascara on it to wipe it off, it kind of wiped off, and it was a little bit hard to do the brows. But other than that, I think that it's a really good makeup tutorial. It's very nice and simple. Actually, one more thing that I wish that she did. I wish that she added sunscreen. Sunscreen! I just wish she had sunscreen. My boyfriend Matt and I, we always joke that Blue's always like, make sure to apply your sunscreen. To stay young, you have to use sunscreens. Sunscreen! I would have thought that like, as a Kardashian Jenner, you know, you gotta take care of your skin, make sure you add your sunscreen. But maybe she did it before. Maybe she added like a moisturizer before she didn't show it, because it's supposed to be like a 2-minute makeup tutorial. The ears. It's like kind of creasing in the smile lines a little bit, but I think that's just like me and my skin. I wish we had a lot more products. She's looking at herself in the viewfinder right now. Who's that? Who's that? That's you. I think this makeup is very Kendall-esque. I really like it. She's very simple. She's very glam. We love her. Couple things that I would tweak, but it's okay. I would add a little bit of highlight, but it's okay. But Blue and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure if you want to keep realizing things, and follow me on my Instagram at Adelaine Morin. Follow Blue on her Instagram at my Frenchie named Blue. I just dropped some brand new Girl Sporting Girls merch, but I'll put right here. I'm in love with it. You can click the link down below. I am in love with all of my Girl Sporting Girls items. A portion of every sale goes to a girls' nonprofit organization. We have new hoodies, sweatpants, mini backpacks. I'm like obsessed. So make sure to go check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll see you guys in my next one. I think I'm gonna film a Khloe Kardashian one. Let me know any other celebrities that you want me to like follow their makeup tutorial. Baby, no farting on set. Quiet on set. I feel like Kendall definitely gets her makeup done for like keeping up with the Kardashians. I saw Khloe's video. They said that they film like 6 days a week. You never know. Maybe she like does this really quickly because it's like a 2-minute makeup tutorial. Pops into keeping up with the Kardashians. Pops out. I don't know. Bop in, bop out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday. Love you guys. Bye.